In this video, we're going to review how to use free stock images for your ThingLink content. As part of UCF's school license for ThingLink, we have access to Unsplash's free stock images. To access these images, you're going to first want to log into the platform and then come on over to the left navigation menu and open the media dashboard. Once opened, come on up to the top right corner and select the blue Create button. In this window, you'll want to come over to the very first option and select the term image. And now in this window, at the very bottom left, you'll see there is a search for an image button. When you select this, it'll pop up to search an image from Unsplash. This will be similar to using other free stock image websites such as Adobe Stock, Pixabay, Pexels, and so on. So let's just say we were creating a ThingLink about the moon. I can just come on up here and I can type in moon and then select the blue search button just next to that bar. And then all images of the moon will pop up here from Unsplash. I can scroll down until I find one that I like. So for me, I am just going to select this one here. Once you find the one you like, just select it. It'll get a blue outline when selected. And then you can come back down here to the bottom right and select continue. So this means that you're only going to be able to select one stock image at a time. ThingLink's base media editor will automatically open and appear. You'll notice on the top right that you have the original creator's name, and it is a hyperlink. So if I select that, it will bring me over to Unsplash's website, and I can learn more about that original creator. I'm going to return here to my base media editor, and just next to the creator's name on that top right, you'll see that Unsplash itself is also a hyperlink. So if I select the word Unsplash, it'll bring me over to Unsplash's website. Keep in mind, although we have access to Unsplash through ThingLink's platform, UCF faculty, students, and staff are not given an Unsplash account. So you cannot come to Unsplash's website and log in with your UCF credentials to start downloading images. You are only going to be able to access these images and have them appropriately licensed for you and your usage if you are using them directly within ThingLink's platform. If you return to your media dashboard, that Unsplash stock image is automatically going to be stored in whichever folder was open in the media dashboard when you selected that create button.